Welcome! If you've ever missed an important post from someone you follow, don't worry today. You'll learn the simple steps to turn on post notifications for others on X, the platform we all knew as Twitter. The latest update has slightly changed the layout, so let's go through it together, step by step, right on your PC. First, open the X app on your desktop or laptop. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on Notifications. This is where all your alerts and updates appear, but we're going to take a quick trip into the settings to fine-tune your notification preferences. Look toward the upper right corner of the Notifications page and click on Settings. This will open up a new panel that allows you to customize what types of alerts you receive. Under Settings, select Preferences. From there, click on Push Notifications. Even if you mainly use the platform on desktop, this section also controls what kind of post alerts you'll get on connected devices and browsers. Once inside Push Notifications, scroll down to the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. You'll find several options for mentions, replies, and likes. What you're looking for is Posts. Make sure the box next to Posts is checked. This tells X that you want to receive real-time updates whenever the people you follow make a new post or share something relevant. After checking it, your new settings save automatically. You don't need to press anything else. From now on, you'll get notified every time your favorite creators, friends, or accounts share something new. It's the perfect way to stay in the loop, especially with the constant updates and features being rolled out. And that's it, quick and easy. Now you can be sure you'll never miss an important post or trending topic again. Go test it out, explore your settings, and enjoy your updated X experience. If this helped you, stick around for more simple tech tips made just for you.